Hey y'all, I am out here in on Rio Chama, or the Chama River, and it is up near Abaqui'i. There goes a duck. Or maybe an arahinga, I don't know. But I'm Arwen. I'm your professional joy seeker, and we're seeking some joy out here. I know you can hear in the background. Now I want you to be able to see. How you turn this around, people? I'm tapping everywhere. I'll just do it like this and hope y'all can see. Yeah, and you may see Patty and Poppy wandering by. They're a wee bit wet. This was their first time out here. But this is a truly beautiful spot. It's not crazy hot, which is one of the reasons we came up this way. So, yeah, and they say, get out in nature, get out in nature. So we got out in nature. I'd show you my husband, but he's shy. Wait, there, I can show him to you now. We've both got a dog on our arms, and I don't know if you can see, I've been in the water and got off balance, so I'm now wet up to my elbows, you know. But I'm going to come back around here, and this is a short video because look up there, see? And look at that sky, the blue. It looks a little cloudy behind us. But yeah, you can see my sleeves. Miss Patty was coming a little faster than was necessary, and yeah, pulled me down. So I'm sorry about the jerking of this. I'm trying to untangle a leash. We have like these, I don't know, 20-foot leads that we take them out in the water with. And now I'm gonna see if I can get back in the water with one of the girls so you can see that. What do you think? Okay, he's gonna hold it right there. And let's go here. Take the phone back, and those are the girls. Pat, you want to say hi, Poppy? Oh, good, Poppy. Yeah, she wanted to put her nose up there. So this has been almost a 5-minute video. I think that's long enough. So we're gonna leave you with a sky. Beautiful, beautiful blue sky. Seek joy, y'all. Bye-bye.
There you go, baby.